guys, welcome to Exam Pad. In today's class, we are going to solve this problem and also learn how to handle these types of problems. So let's move into the question. So here, let's start with solution. Okay. Here the question is root x plus root minus x is equal to 6. So in order to remove this root, what do you have to do? I'm going to take square on both sides. Take square on both sides. So this equation becomes root x plus root minus x the whole square, which is equal to 6 square. Okay. So this is in the format of a minus b the whole square formula. Therefore formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So just apply, plus 2ab. Just apply this formula in place of here. Therefore root x the whole square plus root minus x the whole square plus 2 into root x into root minus x is equal to 6 square 36. Okay. So here root and square get cancelled. Root and square get cancelled. Therefore this becomes x minus x plus 2 into root x into root minus x is equal to 36. Now this x, this plus x and minus x get cancelled. Therefore here what we have is 2 into root x into minus x, which is equal to 36. So here also we have root x. So in order to remove the root of the x, what do you have to do? Again I am going to take root on both sides here. Square on both sides here. So 2 root x root minus x is equal to whole square 36 whole square. Okay. Here this can be written as 2 square into root x the whole square into root minus x the whole square, which is equal to 36 square is 36 into 36. Is it? So in order to avoid calculation, I written like this. Okay. Here 2 square is 4 into root and square get cancelled, x into this root and square get cancelled for minus x, which is equal to 36 into 36. Now I am going to shift this 4 towards right hand side. Therefore x into minus x, which is equal to 36 into 36 divided by 4. Okay. So now what I am going to do is, this will comes in 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 1 2 is 2 balance 1 8. So again it comes in 2 table. 1 2 is 2 balance 1 8. For x into minus x can be written as minus x square, which is equal to 18 into 18. So now I am going to remove this minus sign. For that what I have to do? I am going to multiple minus 1 on both sides. So now I am going to multiple this with minus 1 on both sides. Okay. So minus 1 into minus becomes plus. Therefore in left hand side we have x square. In right hand side minus 1 into 18 into 18. So this can be written as minus 1 into 18 square, which is equal to x square. So I need x alone. So I am going to take root on both sides. Therefore if I in left hand side we get x, here a root will come root. So if it will be like this, we need to put plus or minus, because we can't predict the sign of the square value. So therefore here I mentioned plus or minus. Minus 1 into 18 square. We know that minus 1 is equal to I square. Okay, it's the important rule. minus 1 is equal to I square in complex number. So thus apply this I square instead of minus 1 here. Therefore which is equal to plus or minus the root of minus 1 is equal to I square into 18 square. So therefore which can be written as x is equal to plus or minus the root of I square into root of 18 square. Square and root get cancelled, square and root get cancelled. Therefore I will get x value is equal to x is equal to plus or minus 18. Okay, 18i. Here I is there, no? So plus or minus 18i. So this is what the final answer. So let's verify with the actual question for these two values. For that, first I need to put x is equal to 18i, and the next step I am going to put x is equal to minus 18i in actual question. So here the actual question is root x plus root minus x which is equal to 6. Here the actual question is root x plus root minus x is equal to 6. So here I am going to put x is equal to 18i here. Therefore root 18i plus root minus 18i which is equal to 6. So in order to remove the root, what you have to do, I am going to take square on both sides. So if I take square on both sides, so this is in the formula of a plus b the whole square as we derived in the question. So therefore this becomes 18i root the whole square plus similarly minus 18i the whole square plus 2 into root 18i into minus 18i which is equal to 6 square is equal to 36. Okay, this square and root get cancelled, square and root get cancelled. Therefore this becomes 18i minus 18i plus 2 root 18i root minus 18i which is equal to 36. This plus 18i minus 18i becomes 0. So both get cancelled. So in order to remove this root, what do I have to do? I need to take root on both sides again. So here I put square on both sides. So this becomes 4 into 18i into minus 18i which is equal to 36 into 36. Okay. So here 18 into 18 into I is I square into this minus is there. So minus 1 which is equal to 36 into 36 by 4. Okay. This will comes in 2 table. So 18. This will comes in 2 table 18. So 18 into 18. So I square can be written as minus 1. Is it? So minus 1 into already we have minus 1 which is equal to 18 into 18 here. 18 into 18 plus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 which becomes plus 1. So into 1 can be written as the actual value. Therefore here 18 square is equal to 18 square. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved the x value is equal to 18i is the one value. So next we need to derive the same thing for minus 18i also. Just put minus 18i here. Therefore minus 18i plus root of minus into minus plus 18i which is equal to 6. So if you see here a plus b, so this can be written as 18i plus root of minus 18i is equal to 0. So what we get here which is similar to the as we derived for x is equal to 18i. So hence both get the same value. So this also surely satisfy the both the value. Therefore here x is equal to minus 18i is also verified. So it also gives LHS is equal to RHS based on the previous verification problem. Therefore, I'll get value for this. X is x root x plus root minus x equal to 6 is equal to. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus 18i is the correct answer for this question. So, let's practice twice and thrice, then you will get a perfect answer. Have a nice day. Bye bye.